What if the future of electric vehicles isn't about who builds the best car, but who controls how that car is made, shipped, and delivered? While Tesla grabbed headlines, BYD quietly built something bigger, a global logistics empire hidden inside a car company. In this video, we'll show you how BYD outmaneuvered Tesla, not in the showroom, but in the supply chain, and why that changes everything. Let me first give you a peek at how Tesla and BYD built their empires differently. Tesla and BYD represent two very different visions of the EV industry. Tesla is built around outsourcing. It relies on partners for key components, batteries from Panasonic and CATL, chips from Samsung, shipping through global carriers. This allows Tesla to move fast, but it also makes the company vulnerable to global disruptions. BYD takes the opposite approach. It controls nearly every aspect of production in-house. It designs and builds its own batteries, chips, motors, and even the ships that transport its vehicles. This vertical integration gives BYD more stability, faster turnaround, and lower cost per vehicle. Tesla sells EVs. BYD builds the system that makes EVs possible. This is where BYD's strategy gets really interesting and brutally effective. BYD's supply chain isn't just efficient, it's strategic. It starts with raw materials. BYD sources lithium from China, Chile, and Africa, then refines it in its own facilities. The company's blade battery technology is produced in-house, offering high safety and performance with low cost. Unlike most automakers, BYD also fabricates its own semiconductors, a move that shielded it during the global chip shortage. But its boldest move came in logistics. BYD now owns and operates its own shipping fleet. In 2024, it launched its first row-a-row roll-on roll-off cargo ship designed specifically for exporting EVs. Several more followed. In a world of container shortages and trade route chaos, BYD created its own lanes. So why does all of this matter in 2025? Let's break it down. Owning your supply chain has become a competitive advantage, not just an operational choice. BYD's structure gives it faster delivery times, cheaper material costs, and more control during geopolitical shocks. It doesn't need to wait for third-party vendors to catch up. It doesn't pay extra when lithium prices spike. It doesn't delay shipments when global ports clog up. Where others react, BYD moves. This model has become increasingly attractive in 2025 as governments impose tariffs, regions tighten trade rules, and supply chain risks grow more complex. So what happens when a car company starts acting like a global logistics firm? BYD is exporting more EVs to countries that once seemed unreachable. Brazil, Mexico, Hungary, Morocco, and Thailand are all becoming key markets. To avoid tariffs, BYD builds local assembly plants. To avoid shipping delays, it builds custom routes. To avoid political bottlenecks, it uses alternative rail lines across Central Asia or sends EVs directly to African ports. It's not just building cars, it's building a global network tailored for the electric era. So what does this mean for the future of EVs? Tesla may have the stronger brand, but BYD has the stronger system. The next phase of this race won't be won by design, it'll be won by supply chain control. BYD didn't just build cars, it built the whole machine. Like and subscribe for more stories where strategy beats hype, and the quiet players change the game.